Who are you targeting? G'day folks, it's Den here with another quick tip video about marketing today. Now I want to break it right back down to the very first question you should be asking yourself, which is who are you specifically targeting with your product or service? It's so important to get very, very clear on exactly who you want to speak to. It's not enough to kind of be a jack of all trades and try and speak to everyone. It just simply doesn't work. The more focused you are on targeting your message to one key person or demographic, the more successful your business will be. It's as simple as that. Many businesses make the mistake of trying to appeal to everyone, and in doing so, they appeal to no one. So it might feel counterintuitive, and it probably will feel counterintuitive to do this. But what I want to add to this is just because you're focusing on one key target market doesn't actually exclude everyone else. In fact, you'll find more people are drawn to you because they'll see you as a specialist. So be very clear on who you're targeting. Have a think about that. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. Talk soon.